Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. The lesson name is a sound, short sound. This short a sound is used for middle sound. Bat, 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 bat. Cat, 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 cat. Hat, 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 hat. Tap, 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 tap. Bag, 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 bag. Jam, 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 jam. Van, 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 van. Fan, fan, and fan, and fan, fan, fan. Cap, 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 cap. Quiz time. Dear children, listen carefully to this word. Leg, bat, pin. Can you hear any a sound word? Bat. Yeah, correct. Dear children, listen carefully to these words. Dig, fan, log. Can you hear any a sound word? Fan. Yeah, correct. Dear children, do practice in your home regularly. I hope this class will be useful for you. We will see in the next session. Thank you.